I wanted to try OPI repair mode to see if it would repair my damaged nail. I used it 2 to 3 times a day for 6 full days. My nail plate was stripped due to improper removal of product. In addition to using OPI repair mode, I made sure to apply lotion throughout the day and also cuticle oil. My skin and my cuticles were looking really jaggedy, so on day 4, I gave myself a manicure. As each day passed, I did notice that my nail plate was getting healthier and healthier every day. After 6 days, it is recommended that you apply 2 layers of this OPI repair mode under any nail polish that you're going to be using and daily where the growth of your nail is. As you can see here, before I started using repair mode, my nail plate was really damaged. It was dry, it was stripped, and it's uneven. And here it is again after 6 days, and it is just so much healthier in my opinion.